You're off to a great start, buddy.
Boldly go where no man has gone before.
The light down there is red now, by the way. Now it's matching your room light, and I'm scared. Yep, 333. You're standing in the dark, too. Oh. I'm so sorry.
I don't want this. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Ooh.
What? I love this a lot. This is cool.
Yes,
this is so fucking amazing.
Love it. It's useless now.
Wow. This is fucking cool. Suddenly I'm not stressed.
Suddenly I feel empowered, almost like I'm free.
What are you looking at? Fuck you. Dude.
Oh, now it's working, you son of a bitch. You piece of shit.
They wanted you to light a candle in that room. You guys look great.
Something
You're new.
is off now.
It's a frog.
I'm getting a sense of uneasiness. I'm not liking it.
Here we go.
Guess I got my hands full here.
Look at that texture. Shoddy workmanship. Let me see this one.
You can tell it's like on a bump map too. I want to be your friend, Lucy.
I'm just gonna go over here. I'm Lucy. Hello, Lucy. I want to be your friend, Lucy.
Whoa.
Whoa.
What's that? Oh, snap.
We play ABCs together.
I'm mad. I'm pissed.
You stay in your fucking treehouse. Fuck you, Pico. Friend did it. Where's Pico?
Pico de gallo. There's also a note on the floor, too. That you probably can't. Oh, there's a couple notes. Never mind.
That explains the needle we found. What? Stay away from me. Jesus fuck.
Oh, God.
I'm out. No. Ah! I will take your fucking picture.
Your parents wouldn't understand, Lucy. Only you can understand. They heard it, Lucy. Heard it, Lucy. Yeah. They heard it, Lucy. Yeah, Lucy. They heard it, Lucy.
I don't have it.
They heard it, Lucy.
I can get rid of. I can get rid of this light bulb.
Lucy. Lucy.
This is intimidating.
I don't like this.
I don't know what you are, demon.
What? Get rid of what?
Look out the window, or out the doorway.
That wasn't so bad. Ouch! Oh, I drank too much. Fuck.
Ooh, what a night, am I right?
We got a little too lit, as the kids say.
I don't like this. I don't like this anymore.
Did somebody literally just go through the entire house and take every fucking switch? First of all, you're an asshole.
Second of all, this floor is really fucking dark and I don't like it. I like how you're focusing on the floor only.
I think I need to go this way.
I don't know, but you're going insane. Oh shit, she's right there. Oh hey. Oh, we fucking fell for it. We fucking fell for it. Gotta get out of the darkness, bro. Oh my god. Fucking Christ, this fucking game. Go around into the parents' room. Oh. Oh man, that hurt.
Oh. My god.
Jesus fucking Christ, bro. I wasn't ready. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Get in there. Just go. Go. Go.
Fucking.
This game gives me quite the stressy, even though my life's pretty messy.
That's where her bird's supposed to be.
There's the red door. I don't like this. Yo. Noon. I think you.
Am I supposed to avoid her?
I don't even know where she is.
God, oh my fucking.
Well, you're in it now, bud.
Oh god, the fear is real. The fear is very real. This lighter sucks.
I don't like this, bro.
This sucks.
I fucking hate this, bro.
Oh, this is
I
horrible.
don't like this.
This is the worst.
What? Do it again. Do it again. Go into the door. I fucking hate.
Oh!
Oh wait, wasn't that her? Holy shit! No, that wasn't. Oh, bro.
I'm not moving. I'm scared.
Where is she? Turn. Dude. I'm not okay with this.
I don't know what to do, Kyle. I'm scared.
Flash it.
That's her.
Did she see you?
Yep.
She's right by you.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, just move.
I don't like you. Get away from me. Ugh, no tongue. Ouch.
What did she take?
Something.
She took something.
Something important, apparently.
Jesus. Well, you know, that doesn't make me feel any better about it.
My heart hurts.
Well, at least we know when she's actually gonna like come at. So we got the cage key. So now we need to figure out which cage it is.
No. The door.
Oh, okay. She just appeared. So now you can go around. Now that you have the key, now you can just literally go the way you went before. Go on the left side.
Give me some time.
I'm sorry.
I don't like this. This is rough, man. This is rough.
Fuck. Just remember, tab is how do you look at your inventory. You're gonna want to look at it when you go up to that door.
Fucking.
Ooh, it's push. Run. Fucking go.
This is sprint.
That is. Get the fuck. Oh no.
No, 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 no.
Oh my god.
Hey, Tweety. Fucking. Hey. Hey, buddy. Oh.
You guys are.
Oh, no.
We're doing this again. We're doing this again. Bro.
God damn it. I don't like
Hey
this.
man, I feel like you might have gotten through probably the hardest part that we're gonna. Oh, please don't do this. Don't you do this.
Hey, stay away from me.
I have a fire. And we have a
Is she eating the...
I don't know. I wouldn't approach her, man.
Hey, bitch! Haha. I scared her.
I gave her the old 1-2 buckle my shoe. Ooh.
Fuck am I now?
I'm honestly really excited to see that fucking Visage monster.
I'm not. Honest, that sucked. That
Yeah,
last
no, I
part
mean, that
sucked.
was terrible.
That
but,
was
like,
horrible.
That monster looks so cool. Like, I really like his design already. And they haven't even shown me anything. I'm already sold on him.
Fucking here we go some more. I don't fucking like this. I'm going back.
You know what? I'll take my chances with her.
I'll go back to the birdcage.
There's nothing in
There's nothing. There's no
it's
light.
just darkness.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to be with you again.
What the?
No! I don't like that. Oh, Jesus Christ!
Fucking.
What? You wanted to see him? There he is! Oh, God. I'll stay out. I'll stay out.
Was that the demo?
I'll stay out.
Was that the
I'll
demo?
stay out of your way.
That
No,
wasn't-
God for fucking bit it wasn't. Son of a bitch. Hey, guess what? No fucking lights are on.
Got one room, buddy.
Oh, boy.
One room with a light. Oh, I guess not technically. Hey, the mirror's fixed. What is that? Looks like a shoulder?
Oh, boy, mannequins.
I've seen this before. It's a jaw.
I fucking hate mannequins, Kyle.
We have to assemble. It's a ugly mirror.
Kyle, you know how much I fucking hate mannequins.
Do I?
Yeah, oh God, there's no... So light switches are just not here anymore. I'm just gonna avoid that room. Let's
Yeah,
fucking...
your sanity's going, like, really fucking quick.
Oh, I got nothing else to do.
All the lights are off in the house now.
Jesus, fuck! God damn it! Where did you come from? What the fucking fuck? Oh, that was the worst any game has gotten me.
Oh no. Oh my fucking god. Oh, shit.
What do you want me to do?
I heard him, and then I was like...
I heard him. So my thought was, get in the fucking closet. Let's hide here.
Yeah.
It'll be safe.
No.
No.
In a perfect world. Keep moving.
Oh my fucking god. Mannequin.
This mannequin wasn't here.
Yeah, no shit.
Yo,
Fucking.
just go. He's behind you.
What now? I did it.
Dude, he's gone.
I have to. Lucy! I'm home.
I really don't like this. I fucking hate
What
this.
am I supposed to do?
You need to put all the shit on the mannequin.
There's more pieces?
Yeah.
Fuck this!
Whoa! Dude, I don't like
I don't know what to do! God damn it! Bro!
Yo.
I need a break from this game.
Yeah, that's fair.
I'm taking
totally
5.
going
I
to take
can't
it
do
back.
this. Oh my god.
We'll have to come back to
Oh
this
my
one.
God.
Holy shit, dude. Damn. That was badass.
Oh my god.
Jesus Christ.
That's rough. That was. They have made a really good fucking creature of some sort.
Baby-faced salad fingers.
So my hunch was correct. The mannequin is in the worst fucking place possible in that whole goddamn house.
Yeah.
The fucking basement.
So you
of
essentially need to
course.
have like all the pieces before
I
you
have
even
to-
attempt to go down there. So now we have to find all of them. I'm assuming we're just building the whole body of it.
I hope it's just the head. I
I
don't
would
know.
hope so too, but
But-
like, let's be honest. It's
This
not.
game seems to fuck with you.
Yep.
Well, we'll be back to finish this game at some point.
Eventually.
After I clean the shit from my pants,
Yes,
preferably.
as well.
Fucking remarkable game, but Jesus Christ.
Take it easy on my anus.
Fuck me, that sucked. That was